Grilled cheese, a quick, classic comfort food that needs no introduction. It's comforting, it's versatile, and delicious any way you make it. Now, when I think about it, there should be a grilled cheese for every season. What better combo for a fall recipe than an apple and bacon grilled cheese sandwich? And if you're a fan of the sweet and savory combo, then this is the sandwich for you. The ingredients are simple: sliced multigrain bread, premium cheddar cheese from the deli, cooked bacon slices, and Honeycrisp apples. First, I'm going to core and slice the apples and preheat the skillet. And if you want to be fancy, you can use a panini press, which is what I have today. Now take a slice of bread and top with 1 slice of cheese, 2 to 3 slices of the apple, and 2 slices of bacon. We are halfway there. Add the remaining slices of cheese, top it with bread, and then in the skillet it goes. Take your panini press, if you have one, and just press down until it's lightly toasted and the cheese is melted for about 5 minutes. We are done. I'm sure this is the grilled cheese you've been waiting for. Sweet, savory, with melty cheddar cheese. It can't get any better than this. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.